Hi, Fred here for another Tuesday Tent Talk. And I got to tell you, we're almost done, halfway through the year, end of the second quarter, and our garden tent has been doing super well. Our staff and salespeople building it and putting it together has done a great job. What I wanted to do this week on this TTT is talk to you about some of the other stuff. Maybe you have an existing structure from Asia or Europe, or maybe one made in the US. But I wanted to talk to you about hardware, and to keep this in mind if you're ever on that job or have a project that you might need some of our extrusions that we carry, the 120 by 300, 120 by 200, 120 by 150. Any of the cables, we make up cables, so if you're on a project and you need a cable made, we make up cables. We have turnbuckles, clevises, and then metric hardware. We carry a lot of metric hardware. The M20 by 190 bolt, hex head and Allen head with the nuts and the washers. So I know you guys have got structures. Maybe you don't have a good source, or maybe your source doesn't have them. We stock thousands and thousands of these bolts now that we're making that garden tent. We carry our 30mm spud wrench, helps you line up the beam, ratchets in both directions. Great if you've never used one of these, a must on the site with the structure. And I'll tell you what I'm going to do. If you do have a structure, and the first 5 people that call in and say they saw the metric hardware TTT, I will ship you one of the spud wrenches for free. So the first 5 spud wrenches, when those 5 are gone, you can buy them. They'll be on a sheet. But remember us for this hard to find hardware in metric. We have it. We'd love to sell it to you. Cables, turnbuckles, clevises, and any of the extrusions that you may need milled for your custom project or replacement. So the metric TTT, I want you to remember us for that hardware, or for any of those projects that you might need to fill in something that you can't find. So keep this in mind. Reach out to your salesperson. And for Fred at another TTT, we'll see you next week on TTT, WeMakeTents.com.